Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 8110 4G, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So start off, you want to power off the phone, hold the power key, and then you will see this message. Press power key to continue, so set it one more time, and now the device will shut off. Now it will be indicated by a short vibration that it has shut off. And once it shuts off, what you want to do is hold the up key right here. Not sure if it's visible on the camera. Basically the one above, like the circle or the squarish in the middle. So hold up, and while holding up you want to also press the power key. So holding up and then power. Then you will see the KaiOS, so you can let go. As you can see, now we're in recovery mode. So from here you will use up and down arrows, like so, and power key to confirm. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with the power key. So once more, select yes and confirm with. Okay, so now, as you can see on the bottom, cache wipe complete, and you're back in the recovery mode with the reboot system being selected by default. So you can just simply press power key once more, and now the device will power back on into the system. So let's wait for that to actually finish. And as you can see, now the device is back on and the process is fully finished. So that is how you would wipe cache, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.